Hi everyone! If you haven't yet seen our video on recurrent schedules and the one diving into custom recurrent feature, I recommend watching them first. They cover the setting up tasks to repeat automatically. In this video, we'll focus on how updating recurrent schedules works, with two important aspects: replacing and deleting. These options give you more control when managing your recurrent schedules. Let's start with replace. Imagine you've set up a task to repeat every day. Later, you decide you only want it on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Here you can see the parent task. Open the expanded menu and click Update Recurring. Let's set the custom recurrent schedule. Every 1 week, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now you can see the option Replace existing tasks. Choosing this will reset the recurrent schedule and only keep the new dates you've selected. This way, your schedule stays clean and accurate. If you haven't selected the Replace Existing Tasks option, all the child tasks we already had would stay, while the recurrent schedule would get updated. So you would have both the old child tasks and the new ones. Now, what if you want to remove the scheduled tasks altogether? You have two choices. You can delete tasks manually, or you can simply update the schedule itself to the No Repeat option. So again, click Update Recurring and select No Repeat. Now, you'll see the Delete Existing Tasks option. This removes the recurrent schedule completely and leaves the task as a single item in your list. If we haven't selected the Delete Existing Tasks option, all the child tasks would stay as individual tasks. There is also something important to know about detaching schedules. If you remove a recurrent schedule, it detaches the parent task from its child tasks. Then, if you later create a new schedule for that same task, the Replace option won't appear anymore. Instead, the system will simply add new entries alongside the old ones, which can lead to duplicates. Why have we designed it this way? Because if you've already customized those child tasks by renaming them, setting time estimates, or adding nodes, we don't want an update to override all of your changes. This approach gives you two different options, depending on your needs. Either keep all of your scheduled tasks intact, or start fresh with a new schedule. We keep working on improving this feature, so be sure to subscribe to the channel to not miss any updates. I hope this clears up how updating the current schedules works in Blitzit. If this video was helpful, check out our other tutorials and join the Blitzit Discord community, where you can connect with other productivity-driven users. Happy Blitzing!